So the wrap finally arrived. It came fairly quickly. I ordered this from Tech Wrap, who I've had a lot of mixed reviews about, so we will see how those go. Alfa Romeo. This is what we're wrapping. There is a small little ding here that I'm gonna have to probably get PDR'd. I don't know. We shall see though. But this is what we are wrapping, but wait till you see the color, guys. The color is gonna be crazy. But yeah, ordered it from Tech Wrap. Shipping was super fast. And let's see what we got here. So the packaging looks pretty nice. Didn't just come in a solid black ugly box. And here's the color that we got before we open it up completely. Show you guys. This is the chameleon that we got. Pablo, go lay down. Color shifting from gold to green. There's some blue and some orange in it. Oh yeah. But this, I'm hoping it's not too much sunlight out here. Oh, but that is pretty, guys. That's real pretty. Oh yeah. Super excited about this. Thus far, customer service amazing. As we can see, Tech Wrap. I hear a lot of people say that this is a Chinese brand, but from my understanding and my research, this is an American company. Started in Baltimore, Maryland. Are they making it here in America? That's a totally different story. But yeah, shipped super quick. It literally got here, shipped yesterday, and it arrived today. So shipping was 1 day. Wait time for shipping was like 3 or 4 days. But yeah, so this is what we are working with right here. Tech Wrap, the MCH02. This is like a chameleon green, chameleon neon or neo green color. So I'm gonna take it out of here really quick and very carefully unfold it on the roof, on the hood, and see exactly what it looks like. But thus far, it has exceeded my expectations color-wise. That looks really good. Actually, really like that. So the hard part is now going to find somebody that can wrap this without charging me an arm and a leg. I am tempted to try it myself, but I'm not going to. So I tried to tint these windows one time and it was a horrible mistake. But yeah, so let's see what this looks like outside of the box and somewhat on the car. Wrap out of the box. Again, this color thus far has exceeded my expectations. Actually really love it. And I'm not necessarily even a chrome guy, but this chameleon chrome I do love. What you think, guys? You got chose the right color? I hope so. I'm trying to wait for the sun to pop out so we can get full lighting. Because I will say, when that sun is shining nice and bright is when you get like the best, like the full spectrum of it. On a gloomy day, it's a little darker, but aside from that though, it's perfect. And now we need to find somebody to wrap it, and we'll be good. We'll be in the game.